BTC USD is playing as planned based on our previous analysis. You can watch our previous analysis where we analyze the BTC USD, where we say we expect price to move to 91k. So in this video, I'll be updating you how price has moved on BTC USD. So let's get started with the analysis. But before we start with the analysis, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. So let's get started with the analysis. So BTC USD is currently on a sideways trend. You can see that with our previous trend, we have a lower low. Our previous trend, we have this lower low. Then we have this higher low, we have this higher low, we have this higher low, which shows that price was in uptrend. Then what we expect from BTC this week, now we expect price to break out of this ring. Now we have this sideways trend. We have this sideways trend. All we need from BTC USD, we expect price to break out of this trend. Then before we can look out for selling opportunity for the BTC back to the downside, because we're expecting price to move to this region, which is this 91k region. So once price fail to break this level, we see price resuming uptrend back. But now we are expecting price to move to this level. So once we see our break of price below this level, we'll wait for price to retest this level back before we make any decision on the BTC USD. We are still currency aside, waiting for price to give us flow, because currently we cannot trade on this zone because we are currently on the consolidation zone. So we cannot trade inside this level now because we need price to flow. Once we see the break and retest, we know that price want to flow now. So we are waiting for the market flow for us to jump in on BTC from this retest of this level. So let's go to the higher time frame. Let's start with the monthly chart. So on my monthly chart, you can see that price did a first breakout on BTC USD. So long we have this first breakout on BTC USD on the monthly chart. So we are expecting price to move to this support level on the monthly chart. So we are expecting price to move to this support level. So once price move to this support level and fail to break it, we might be seeing price resuming uptrend back. So let's go to the weekly chart. So on my weekly chart, previously we have our candlestick close on this resistance level. So long we have price on this resistance level, and this particular resistance level is a strong resistance level. So long we have price on this resistance level, we see expect BTC to move down. So the higher time frame, which is the monthly and the weekly, is telling us that price is expected to go down. But the daily time frame still not give us that sign of the downtrend. Daily time frame is still on consolidation. So all we have to do, we have to wait for price to truly get out of that consolidation before making any further decision on the BTC USD. So on the daily chart now, so you can see that price is still on a consolidation. We have this consolidation here now. So long we are on this consolidation, we cannot make any decision for now. So we need price to break out of this consolidation before we can make our decision. Once price break out of this consolidation, we'll be expecting our sell opportunity. Once we have price break out of this consolidation, we'll be expecting a sell opportunity once we have price break out of this consolidation. So for now, we still remain out, waiting for price to clear this level before we make any further decision on the BTC USD. If you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.